guys, it's Rare from Marco12 and EpicDroid.com, and I am here today with Smartish's Wallet Slayer case for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now unfortunately I wasn't able to get my hands on a real S24 Ultra, but I was able to get my hands on this dummy device. A dummy device is basically a real device, it just doesn't turn on, and in this case it doesn't turn on and it doesn't have an actual S Pen. So with the Smartish Wallet Slayer we have a couple of different options. These are just two of their basic choices. They have a wide variety of color options, and they even have the option to upload your own image so you can get it printed on the back here. The case's main selling point is that they have a little wallet slaying feature. That wallet slaying feature is that you can ditch the wallet. You can put 3 credit cards or a driver's license and 2 cards. You can actually fit a little bit more in there, but the officially supported number is 3 plus a little bit of cash. Put it on the phone. You're going to go and you're going to take it. You're going to flip the case over and you're going to find your power and your volume buttons, and you're going to slide that in first. Pop it down around the corners, and then presto, you're good to go. Now to show you guys that Wallet Slayer feature, I've got here my fake Comcast gift cards. They don't actually do any good, and I don't recommend Xfinity, but they're cards that work great for these types of videos. So we have here a slot. You just push that in. As you can see there, holds all of them without any problems. And then you have this cool little piece here where you can just push those up and then you can pull them right back out. So they are held in there very tightly, so you can actually like flip it, you can bang it around, and those cards aren't going to be coming out. It uses a fancy little piece of plastic here with a little bit of rubber on the other side that pushes up to hold those cards in place. As far as the rest of the features on the case go, we got a couple of cool things here. We've got this extra large camera bump that's going to keep your camera protected, so you can set that face down, or set that down on the camera without having to worry about getting the camera scratched up. It also has this raised piece here that goes at a slight curve. If you look here, it has a curve that fits very comfortably in your hand and also helps it when you're putting it into your pocket so it doesn't get caught on things. The sides here do have a very grippy texture, and not only are they grippy, but it also has slight ridges there. That helps it so it fits very comfortably in your hand, and it kind of provides a little place for your fingers to grip there. Also on the side, we do have your power and your volume buttons. They are very clicky and very responsive. I can't actually test them out completely because unfortunately this is a dummy device, so it's not going to turn on, but I have used Smartish's cases on several other devices and I've never had a problem with them. Here up top we do have a cutout for your noise cancelling mics, and flipping it around to the bottom you'll see that we have cutouts here for your USB-C charging port, for your microphone, as well as for your speaker and for your S Pen. Now unfortunately, just because of the thickness of the case and the fact that you have credit cards in there, it isn't going to support wireless charging. However, that USB-C charging port is the perfect width where you can use any USB-C charger on it without any problems. Flipping it around here to the front, you'll also see that you do have a raised lip that goes across the top and the bottom of the device. It doesn't have it on the sides here, so that you can go ahead and you can use that without getting anything in the way of using the sides of the device. But that ridge across the top and the bottom will allow you to set that down and not have to worry about your screen getting scratched up. You'll also see here up top there is a slight cutout there. You can see a little bit better right here, but there's a slight cutout there that makes it so that you can use your front-facing audio without any loss in audio quality. And looking at here at this other one here, you will see that there are these little air cutouts there. What that does is it provides some additional impact protection for your device, and it provides it some additional support. So if it's dropped on that, it's going to be able to help absorb that impact and help protect your device just a little bit more. All in all, Smartish makes great cases. They make great products. I love all of their products, and I'm a big fan of them. I have many of their products that I use on a daily basis. I would definitely recommend checking them out. These cases go for about $24 to $25 on Amazon, depending upon which option you get. Definitely check it out. Check out the one that's the pick your own. I think they call it like pick your own recipe or pick your own poison or something like that. But you pick that and you can upload your own images and you can have a lot of fun with it. If you guys have any questions about the Wallet Slayer or about Smartish's other products, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and I'll reply as soon as I'm available. If you've enjoyed this video and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give me a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.